I received this Boox Note Air 5C this morning, and in this video I will give you my first impressions. Let's start with unboxing. I ordered directly from Boox Hong Kong, so I have received a case with it as well. But regardless of where you ordered this, in the box you should expect three things: the Boox Note Air 5C device, Pen 3 stylus, and a USB cable. In terms of design and build quality, this has a premium feel. It weighs about 440 grams and it's very slim, about 5.88 millimeter. The metal body feels premium and smooth and good to hold in the hand. The power button, which is also the fingerprint reader, is located on the top of the device. It doesn't make clicky sound when pressed, which is good. The USB-C port is on the left-hand side at the center, and the micro SD card slot can be found next to it. This is the brand new Boox Pen 3. It's silky smooth, but it's got unique weight distribution, which some writers might feel a bit tiring. It's a bit top heavy. You can attach this on the right hand side. The magnet is solid, so it holds on tightly. The device uses a 10.3-inch Kaleido 3 display. When using black and white, the sharpness is pretty good. 300 ppi resolution works well, but when color comes in, it drops to 150 ppi. The color quality is nice as far as e-inks go. I used to have the 4C. Compared to that, the colors might be a little bit more vibrant, but nothing drastic. Compared to LCD tablets, well, the colors are very muted. The problem with Kaleido 3 display is that it's quite dark, and this is true for this device too. Compare this with my myBoox Go 7 screen. The Boox Note 5C is reasonably dark. But thankfully, this does have adjustable dual tone front light. It is both warm and cool, and you can switch and change it to suit your desired settings. In terms of light, it feels that it's reasonably even. You can turn this up whenever you are reading in dark environment. In terms of reading a PDF, it's pretty good. Page turn speed is great. It has lots of cropping features that makes reading PDF easy. You can annotate any PDF, you can highlight or take a note in the Neo Reader. In terms of writing experience, I really like the texture of the pen and the screen. It has just the right amount of friction. It really feels like writing on a paper. There's absolutely little, if any, lag. Boox Super Refresh technology quickly updates the screen. The note-taking app is pretty easy to use as well. You can use different pen types, you can use calligraphy, fountain pen, layers of the lasso tool. In terms of software, it uses the Android 15 and has Google Play Store. This is a major advantage for app flexibility. Performance-wise, it is snappy and is able to quickly switch between the apps. You can move from one app to another without any lag. I love that it has split screen feature. You can use it to read something while you take notes. Now, I didn't get the keyboard with it because I already have a good Logitech keyboard, but this new device has pogo pins, so it should type fast using this. So, who is this for? Personally, I would have loved to have this when I was a uni student, but I can see how this can be used by a creative person, a professional, or even an avid reader. Overall, this is looking to be a great device. I'll make a full review on this soon, so feel free to subscribe so that you don't miss out on that video.